Oh, hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I want to showcase the Megalodon truck. Yes, made it myself. Right, here's a little broken. Showcase around this. Yes, this is the Megalodon truck that I want to show, that everybody really wants to see. So here it is. I have two other trucks I want to showcase, but one of them I will showcase on this video, but I cannot showcase the other one. You have to guess it. And this is what I really want to show. I'll always give updates to new trucks that I built. Yeah, so it's one of my favorite ones. Megalodon. You know, I don't talk much on videos. That's probably the lying part. Yeah, but because that's not much to tell you about it. Sure, you see the Megalodon. Yeah, so that's the Megalodon truck. And so next truck. Yes, Raptor Rampage. It's one of my other favorites. Haven't colored the rest. Yeah, green body, green frame, all made out of paper, with one rubber tire. I have it up so you couldn't see rubber. Yes, my brother showed us how to make only the, I think the body, yeah, the body is a truck. Dragon's Nightmare. So this is let's see, yeah, Raptor Rampage. Oh, like a few minutes. Let's see. Yeah, what's his name right there? Raptor Rampage. So they have Raptor Rampage. Mouth going across. Going out front. Dinosaur truck. He's not in Moss Gem. He's actually thinking. Oh, cam cut. But yeah, he's mainly Moss. So yeah, but there you have it. One, two trucks I want to show you. Next will be Captain America and what's his name is? Raising Cane. Captain America and Raising Cane is next. So hope you'll be there for that one. Well, this is me signing out. Peace. Wait. Peace.